Terima kasih telah klik video ini bosku. Sebelum lanjut ke videonya, silakan tekan tombol subscribe di bawah.
Around the world who are battling against the COVID-19. Minum air Cara dengan batu soda untuk enhance growth with a sustainable environment. Korea has already set a great example for the world through its remarkable COVID-19 response strategy and connectivity. We must focus key resources and tools to developing countries. The everyday speech which is common in a population. So now let's think about another paradigm in the everyday speech of that. In the neoliberal paradigm, there's a vernacular which has such phrases as Margaret Thatcher's, there's no such thing as society, or labor unions are just special interest groups. Finally, a policy paradigm is composed of four parts. The first is a set of ethical commitments. The second is an economic model. The third are a set of emblematic.
Ini setelah hasil pengecetan. Ini kalau dari dalam masih kelihatan bekas pecahnya. Jadi kerjanya mudah ya bos, hanya menggunakan solder dengan kawat. Cup kita yang pecah bisa teratasi.